In County of Maui versus Hawaii Wildlife Fund, the United States Supreme Court answered whether a facility needs a permit for pollution discharges that originate from a point source but are conveyed into the ocean from a nonpoint source. Under the Clean Water Act, facilities must obtain a National Pollutant Discharge Elimination System, or NPDES, permit for every discharge of a pollutant into a navigable water from a point source. Point sources are defined as discernible, confined, and discrete conveyances from which pollutants may be discharged, including pipes or tunnels. The definition of pollutant includes, among other substances, sewage and sewage sludge. A discharge is the addition of any pollutant into a navigable water from a point source. Under the Act, navigable waters include rivers and oceans. The County of Maui, on the island of Maui, Hawaii, operated a wastewater reclamation facility. The wastewater facility collected sewage, partially treated the sewage, and then pumped the treated sewage into underground wells. Every day, about 4 million gallons of the treated sewage and water would travel through groundwater for a half mile and eventually enter the Pacific Ocean. In 2012, multiple environmental groups, including Hawaii Wildlife Fund, sued the county under the Clean Water Act's citizen suit provision. The groups claimed that the county was violating the act by discharging a pollutant into a navigable water without a permit. The district court found that the path to the ocean from the facility's point source was clearly ascertainable, so the wells were functionally a point source into a navigable water. Therefore, the court granted summary judgment in favor of the environmental groups. The county appealed. The Ninth Circuit affirmed the district court's holding, but held that a permit was required because the pollutants were fairly traceable from the point source to a navigable water. The county appealed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.